everyone, my name is Isna Herubaria, name Y9251585 from class Y9 1C35. In this video, I will talk about two different topics. The first one is my opinion about smoking in the campus area. And the second one about is the question word in English. So let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Isna Hairul Baria and I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University. Today I like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. So what is smoking in the campus area? It means when people smoke inside the university environment, even though there's rule that clearly shows no smoking. Why is problem? Because cigarette smoke is very dangerous. It can harm not only the smoker but also people around them who breathe smoke. It also makes the air dirty and uncomfortable for studying. Where does this usually happen? Sometimes I still see people smoking at the parking area in with corners of the campus. Even when they are seen, they say no smoking. When does it happen? Usually during breaks of after class, when people are relaxing or hang out with their friends. And who should be responsible? I think but students and the campus should work together. Students must respect the rules and the campus should provide a special area for smoking that's far from the classroom. In my opinion, the no smoking rule is really good because it keeps the campus clean, fresh, and healthy. So let's respect the rule, take care of our environment, and make our campus a smoke-free place for everyone. Thank you guys. That's all about my opinion on smoking in the campus area. Now let's move to the second part of this video. The question word. Introduce myself. My name is Nahirul Baria, name Y9251585, class 191C35. What are the question words? The question words are words used to ask questions in English. They help us get specific information about people, things, place, time, region, and more. What is included in the we have question? What, where, why, when, which, who, what, was, how. The first, what is used to ask about things? Yes, as we know, what is a question word the function to ask about something or things related to a person. Example, what are you doing? What is your name? Or what do you think about the movie? The second, where? If you want to find out information about the location or place, destination, or position of someone or something, the right question what to use is where. Example, where do you to live? Where is my handphone? Or where are you headed? 3. Why? The question word function to ask for reason or clauses. In the case, the reason can be either positive or negative, used to find out the background of cause of something that happened. Example, why do you love me? Why are you crying? Or why it did happen? For when, of course, when is used to ask about the time when something happens. The question word is closely related to adverbs of time, which can be the answer to this type of question. Example, when do you finish college? When does he leave? Or when will the meeting start? 5. Which is a relative pronoun in English that is used to introduce a relative clause. This clause provides additional information about the noun being discussed, which refers to things or animals, not people. Example, which color do you want? Or which one do you call, the left or right? Or which extracurricular do you join? 6. Who? Who told you about my secret? Well, the sentence above is an example of a question that uses the question word who to ask about a person or the subject. Another example is who are you? Who opened the window? Or who owned this bag? 7. Whom. Whom is an object pronoun like me, him, her that is used to refer to the person who receives the action in a sentence. Its function is the same as who, which means siapa, but whom is used for the object of a verb or profession, often in a more formal context. Another example is whom are you going to meet? Or whom did you see in the morning? Or whom was Teddy talking me? 8. Whose. When asking is a question, what is the difference between whose and who or whom? The difference is that whose is a question word used to ask about possession or ownership. How can you ask it in a sentence? CD. Following example is whose are these movies? Or whose wallet is this? Is yours? Or whose car is that? And the last, how. Lastly, there is how, which you can ask when asking about manner, process, condition, or quality. This question word is also asked to ask about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity. Example sentence, how was your exam? Or how can you explain this problem? Please tell us. Or how much money do you have? How to form we have question formula. We have question with auxiliary verb. Here is the formula for we have question with an auxiliary verb. We have plus auxiliary verb to be, do or have plus subject plus main verb. Example, when are you leaving? Or where do you live? Or where have they eaten? We have questions with modal verbs. Words that are included as modal verbs are can, called, will, will, shall, sold, might, make, and must. Here is the formula. We have plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb. Example, who will stay with? Or what shall I do? Or why shall we read this book? Negative, we have question. Without releasing it, the example of each type of we have question about are in the positive affirmative form. Of course, question sentence can also be in the negative form. When making a negative we have question, we can use the auxiliary verb to when there is not other auxiliary verb or modal verb. Example of negative we have question. Positive question without any auxiliary. Negative question with the auxiliary verb to. Example, who wants an ice cream? Negative example, who does want an ice cream? Or which door opened? Negative example, which door didn't open? Conclusion. Vehicle questions are essential in English because they help us ask for specific information such as purpose, time, place, reason, and manner. As question word has a different function and can be used with an auxiliary verb, modal verb, or negative verb. By understanding vehicle question, we can make clear question and communicate more effectively in English. Thank you guys.